Hi, Beth Hensley here with Elite Texas Properties, your North Texas Realtor. Happy Valentine's Day. And if you are looking for a sweetheart of a deal, come see me on Saturday at 2609 Patriot Drive in Melissa, the great neighborhood of Liberty, where there are plenty of amenities. There's a pool, there are playgrounds, there are walkways, there's a clubhouse. Really awesome amenities everywhere you turn. I'll be here from noon until 2 on Saturday. Bring your loved ones and come fall in love with this amazing house. The open floor plan is perfect for entertaining your family, friends, and loved ones. The formal dining is heartbreakingly beautiful. You have to see to believe how lovely it really is. The master bedroom is absolutely dreamy, and you will love cuddling up with your sweetheart there. Lounge outside by the pool all year long in this heated saltwater pool. This 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2-story home is perfect for just about any family. Again, come see me on Saturday between noon and 2 at 2609 Patriot Drive in Melissa.